Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to bookmark on AO3. Bookmarking is a fantastic way to keep track of all the amazing stories you discover. It allows you to save your favorite works for easy access later, ensuring you never lose a beloved read. You can also add private notes and custom tags to organize your saved content, making your personal library incredibly efficient and tailored to your preferences. To begin, simply navigate to the work you want to save on Archive of Our Own. Once you are on the Works page, scroll down a little. You will find a clear Bookmark button, typically positioned right below the work's summary and statistics. Clicking this button will open a small, intuitive window, presenting you with several options to customize your new bookmark before saving it. Now it's time to personalize your bookmark. You can add a private note, which is a great way to jot down thoughts or reminders about the work, visible only to you. Next, apply custom tags to categorize your bookmarks, making them easy to find later. Finally, decide if your bookmark should be public, visible to others, or private for your eyes only. Once saved, accessing your bookmarks is straightforward. Simply navigate to your profile and click on the Bookmarks tab. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the works you've saved. You can use the powerful search and filter options to quickly locate specific items, perhaps by tag or author. Remember, you can always edit or delete any bookmark to keep your personal collection perfectly organized and up to date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.